In this problem, we're trying to find a line that passes through the point -2, 1 and is perpendicular to the graph of y equals -4x plus 1. So the first thing I want to pay attention to here is the equation that they gave us. We're trying to find the perpendicular slope to that. So the slope to this line is -4. The perpendicular slope would be the opposite reciprocal. So because our slope is negative, that means our perpendicular slope will be positive. And if I want the reciprocal of 4, that's actually 1 over 4, because you could write 4 as 4 over 1. You usually don't because it's unnecessary, but it is a fraction even though it doesn't look like it. So this right here is the slope that I'm going to plug in to find my b value. Now we're also going to use our points here as x and y, and we're going to plug those into y equals mx plus b along with the slope. So my y value is 1. My slope we figured out was 1/4, and my x value is -2. So I have everything plugged in except for my b value. And I just want to make sure it's really clear where I'm getting all of these things from. So this y value, which is 1, came from up here. This slope, which is 1/4, came from over here. And finally, my x value is 2, and that came from my point. All right, so now let's keep going. Let's solve for b. So I have 1 equals, if I multiply 1/4 times -2, it's going to give me -1/2. And if I add if I add 1/2 to both sides, that's going to give me that my b value is 1.5, or you could write it as 3 over 2. So this is my b value that I'm going to now plug in to slope-intercept form along with my perpendicular slope, and we will be done. So final answer is going to be this. Y equals our slope, which is 1/4 x, plus our y-intercept, which is 3 over 2. So this line is perpendicular to the one that has a red box around it, and it goes through the point -2, 1.